Oh god, guys. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. The rock's coming with you.
Hey guys, Mr. Viper here, and today me and Baby Viper are going to be exploring a tornado path today, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay guys, currently we're not on the path right now, but as you can see behind us,
The tornado did hit in this area.
about 30 years ago, the tornado came by here and just like destroyed a whole bunch of trees around here. I just went in a circle, and guys, look what we found.
I found them.
Yeah. This is good, like, it's pretty cool, guys. Check this out.
Just don't move your hand. Okay.
And guys, we also found this one as well.
Where's that one inside part? Right there, right there.
Yeah, get that.
Focus. Yeah. That's
Pretty
cool, though.
So,
You know what else is cool?
what?
You.
Yeah. So guys, look. We got our scooters here in the woods because it's kind of raining out there. But if you break that, it could be like crystals. Oh, if you find like that white rock, Wyatt. Did you see the shell? So guys, whoa. Look at the damage.
I know.
The damage. Okay, so the path that we're gonna be going in is right here at the sign. Past it. Okay. Look at this, guys.
I'm guessing this is the destruction from the tornado.
Yeah, I'm assuming as well. Okay guys, the path is right here. He's sticking something in there. No homo.
Said no homo.
Yeah. What, did you find another?
I can't take it, but because it's all messed up. Yeah, that's a cool feather.
Yeah, that is a cool feather.
I would take it. It's all messed up.
What the heck?
I think there's a big monster.
That's what I was gonna say. It sounded like a whole monster.
So this from the tornado. Look at all this damage.
Yeah, and it's really cool down here. Guys, at the end there's like a big crater that the tornado made. It's really cool.
Like
And this is all this damage is done by the tornado like 30 years ago.
Is it deep?
Like,
what do you
Kinda. I mean, it goes downhill a bit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I mean, this path is made by people. I don't think this, but
Looks like they just kept walking it.
yes. And you just turn left here. Like, look at all this.
Look at this.
Yes, this is all what the tornado did. Okay, Wyatt. You see that bottom of that rock, right? Crystal? Look for a rock that color. And then this is what we will find inside.
Dang.
Yeah. Guys, we found a rock. What up? It's not focusing. There we go. Can I look?
Can I see it?
Look at that, guys. It's not the same.
Can I just see it really quick?
Yeah. Okay, guys, look at all this damage.
I'm gonna break this. This looks exactly like it.
Look right here, look right here.
Well, I'm gonna keep this and break it.
Okay, yeah. Wyatt, look how big these trees are.
I know these trees.
These trees are
Come over
huge.
here, look how tall this thing is.
It is, yeah.
That's taller than 100 foot. Maybe.
Nah.
It's probably.
These are some big trees, though. Okay, look through here. Oh my god, look at how big that tree is, Wyatt. Right there. Do you see it? The big old dead one. Like right over there.
Yeah, I see. Oh my goodness.
I want to go over there.
I said goodness.
I know, I heard.
Where'd that rock go?
Did you just lose that rock?
Yes.
I heard it fly in some... Oh my gosh, Wyatt. That's not it.
It's right.
Okay, guys, we're trying to dig this out because look at this.
Look at that.
Like, I'm trying to focus, but my camera won't focus. We found the rock. It's right here.
This looks like a big.
Wait, this isn't it, Wyatt.
It's not?
No.
You sure?
My camera keeps going out of focus.
No, it's not. I lost it.
Dang.
It's probably like up here somewhere.
Yeah.
But this thing would be cool to get.
We can get it at the end if you want. Not really.
No.
Still looking for that rock, guys.
We will find it.
We're moving on. Did you find it? Could be it. Guys, just look at all this. That's really cool down here. I'm gonna go check this out real quick. Guys, just check this out. Like, this is really cool. I can get some cool pictures here if I remember to.
No.
I mean, I left some marks when you threw it.
I'm guessing I'm going right. Can I just see what that rock looked like?
Yeah.
Complete
So guys, we just found another one of these types of rocks.
It's
Focus.
complete crystal, and it's like
Laying like right here.
it's like see-through.
Yeah, that is really cool. You made it. And look at this, guys. Whoa. This is really cool. This is all done from the tornado, guys.
They just chopped it up so it would.
Yeah. If it looks like it's been cut, it's probably because it was like this and they were making a path. Did you just find another one? That looks pretty shiny. Like right there.
That looks like that type. Look,
Yeah.
look.
Okay. It's a pretty cool path. What do you think about the path so far, Wyatt?
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah. How far did you go up here?
I don't know. I mean, I do know, but like it was pretty far up. Not that
The
far.
leaf looked exactly like it in crystal.
Oh, dang.
I really thought it. Take the other one.
Okay, guys. We think we found another one. These rocks. Let me get it out of my pocket. Wrong one. Hold up. Okay, we're comparing the two.
That looks like.
It looks. Let's flip this one over now.
You never know.
I could break it. But this one, guys, is really cool. Focus.
I don't think this one is. This one might just.
Oh, there's a little bit of purple in there too.
Yeah.
Camera's like out of focus. I don't get why. Okay.
This rock is so annoying right now.
At least it stopped raining, you know?
Yeah. Oh, hi, road.
Hi, road. How are you?
Oh, good. How are you? Wait, the road just talked.
The road just talked?
You heard it? He said, I'm great. How are you?
Oh my god, I actually did hear it.
Talk to him.
How you doing, road?
Dude, great. He ran over again.
Oh, I'm okay. Yeah, I heard him. He said he was getting ran over.
Oh, what now?
I don't know, every day.
Whoa!
That's cool. And also, guys, as you see, it's from the tornado, all the dead trees. Also, there's new life growing there. That's good. Because this is really cool. Just walking over this. I didn't even notice that last time. Maybe I did, I just probably don't remember. That is cool though. Probably just fell down and this was the top. Oh, yeah. That's how it looks.
If I get snowboard,
It looks pretty cool up here too. 10 minutes in the video.
there's not much we can do.
I know.
Not just the tornadoes, everything.
I know.
All the branches away, everything.
You know what tornadoes are, Wyatt.
I've never been in one.
I've been in one. Yesterday.
How was it?
It's pretty windy. Didn't you see me fly by your window?
Yeah, I was wondering why.
Yeah, that's why.
I thought you were just flying around for fun.
I was doing it for fun, but I couldn't stop flying because of
Imagine
the
nothing
wind.
in the way.
Oh my god.
Sledding.
Yeah.
Imagine that all being.
Wyatt just said imagine there was nothing here and just all being ice that hill.
Or just sledding.
That'd be fun.
And the road was covered with snow.
Yeah. It is.
The most exciting thing so far was that one rock.
Yeah.
Like,
We're so close to the crater part that the tornado made.
to open. Yep.
Look at all this.
Oh, look at that tree.
I know.
This tree got split.
Yep. Move for a second, Wyatt. Guys, look at this. It's going down now.
Just a crater?
Down a bit. Whoa, I'm tripping. But what I mean by tripping is tripping over a rock. Whoa, you slipping.
Remember we got attacked by geese?
Oh my god.
I literally just sort of.
Yeah, that was pretty funny when we did. We pulled out our knives like we were gonna do something. Yeah, this is like the crater, I guess. Yeah, it's pretty cool back here, right? Look at this tree. Thing's huge, right?
Oh, see you at the top.
I haven't gone farther than this.
Hey, can you give me a lift?
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. I can do this.
Pretty cool out here, right?
Yeah.
So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for new. Like if you liked it. And bye.